How to make a custom Gmail signature with image. This tutorial will guide you through the process of adding an image to your email signature in Gmail. A personalized signature can enhance your professional image and make your emails more visually appealing. Follow these simple steps to create a signature that includes an image. So first, open any web browser and go to the Gmail website. Make sure that your account is logged in to Gmail. As you can see on the screen, where I am already on the site and logged in, if your account is logged in, click the settings icon at the top right of the website screen. The menu appears. Just click the See All Settings button to see all settings. While we are in the Settings tab, scroll down until you locate the Signature section. After you locate the signature section, since your problem is only adding an image to the signature, we'll go directly to it by clicking the Insert Image icon that looks like a picture icon. While we are in the Add Image window, click the Google Drive tab. As you can see, I have already added an image in Google Drive. But if your photos are still not uploaded in your Google Drive, click the Upload tab to access the upload option. From here, just click the Browse button to browse the image you want to insert from your folder. After you upload your image, since I already have one, let's go back to my Drive tab. While we are in my Drive tab, let's choose this photo. After you choose the image you want to insert, the Insert button appears. Just click it to insert the image you want. As you can see, the image appeared. To change the size on an image, just click the image you just inserted and choose the size as you can see on the screen. After you edit the image, scroll down until you locate the Save Changes button. After you locate the Save Changes button, click it to save your settings. Adding an image to your Gmail signature is a straightforward process that can enhance your email communication. By following these steps, you can create a visually appealing signature that represents your personal or professional brand. Don't forget to test your signature to ensure it appears as intended in your emails.